In this tutorial, we will show you how to generate your social media feeds, as well as generate hashtag posts from Instagram or Twitter and embed them on any website. Once you're logged in, please follow these steps below. First, you will need to go to the Sources tab and click on the social media icon from which you would like to pull the feed, for an example, Instagram. Please note that if you want to generate Instagram business account feeds, you will need to connect a Facebook account in Embed Social. Then, you can choose Instagram hashtag for an example. Enter the desired hashtag and click on the next button in the top right corner. Please note that we are able to pull hashtag posts only from Instagram and Twitter. Next, you can select your widget layout and click on the Create Feed button. And that's it. All the hashtag posts will get generated and you can easily display them on your website by just copy-pasting the top right code here. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to reach out to us on our live chat or send us an email at contact@embedsocial.com. We're happy to help.